going to be sharing my 9-month lock update with you guys. And I'm so excited to share this with you because since last month, I have definitely seen a few changes, and I'm excited at this point to see any changes at all because, as you guys know, in my 7th month video, I shared with you guys that I really didn't see any changes at all. So I'm really excited to share with you guys the changes that I've seen since the beginning up to now. And I will be showing you guys a couple clips from the very beginning of my journey just to show you guys the difference between then and now. I'm going to give you guys a brief 360 of what my hair looks like currently, and I will also show you guys what my hair looks like after my retie. Now, this is going to be the first time that I do a before and after retie in my update video. I'm trying to have more detailed lock update videos so that in the future I can just look back and kind of see what my lock updates and retwists were looking like. It has been since May 28th that I've done my last retie, and it is currently June 29th. And so it's definitely been a month, and I usually wait 6 weeks, but I'm noticing right now that I am really due for a retie. I'm not sure if it's because I've been taking a lot of vitamins and my hair is growing rapidly, or if I'm just needing a retie sooner than usual. Here's my before retie at the 9-month mark. So as you can see on the left, I'm showing you what my hair looked like at 1 month. As you can see, there's no color. I had not colored my hair yet. And on the right side, it's what my hair currently looks like before my retie. All right, just taking a minute to show you guys what my parting looks like before my retie, month 1 and month 9. I'm gonna go ahead and do my retie, and I'll come right back after I'm done. Now, as you guys know, those of you who have Microlocs, you already know that it usually takes a few days to do the retie, so I might come back, I don't know, in a few days. So let's just see how long it takes. I just wanted to pop this recording of me doing my retie so I could show you that I do still use the 3-point rotation, and I go from left to right, back to front, and right to left. That would be considered a full rotation for me. All right, everyone, so I am officially finished with my retie. I'm excited to get into the update. I usually count my locks every few months just to make sure that I know how many locks I have. My last lock count was 481, and currently my locks count is 477. Yes, I lost a few locks. Aww. But that's okay. I lost a couple locks for a couple reasons. The first reason is the obvious reason. If you've been following my channel for a few months and you've watched a few of my updates, you will know that I have alopecia, and I have it in this side here. So since I have alopecia in this spot, I am pretty sure that I've lost at least 1 or 2 locks in that area. Now, the other few locks that I've lost, and actually they've been combined. I didn't lose them, I've combined a few of my locks that were getting a little thin for my liking at the roots. So I wanted to make sure to keep those locks on my head by interlocking them together. So when I do my 360, I will show you guys what locks are actually combined. Surprisingly, I have not changed up my product regimen. I still use the Biotin Strengthening Shampoo, and I still use the Tea Tree shampoo and conditioner. I've been using conditioner for 9 months now, and my locks are locking up just fine. I haven't had any issues except for just minor slippage, and I think that might have to do with how I've been washing my hair over the last few months. And I did mention that in my last update video that I do have to make sure that I continue braiding my hair so that I don't encounter any slippage. So I have been doing that. I have been braiding my hair when I'm washing so that I don't have to worry about any slippage or anything like that. All right, this next topic is my length check. All right, so since I have a black shirt on, I'm just gonna use my hand. So this is how long my hair is. Comes down to about a little past armpit length. You can see it this way. It's amazing that I've had my hair in these Microlocs for 9 months and they still have a little stretch to them. You guys can see that. If I pull down the front of my hair, it goes about to my neckline area. And I feel like this side of my hair is a little longer than this side. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does it look like that to you guys? That like this side here is longer than this side? I feel like it is. So yeah. If I were to lift my hair up, I'm gonna have to scoot down. So I almost have a straight elbow, but not quite. That's how it looks when I pull my hair up from the middle of my head. And then in the back, can you guys see that? The back of my hair is a little past my shoulder when I pull it down. So that's my length check. Now I want to talk about what my hair looks like at the root. And I like to compare my interlocked hair versus my twisted hair because there is definitely a line of demarcation. I like to use that term because it's a color term. It's a term that you use when you're coloring your hair. And the line of demarcation is where the color stops and where your natural hair starts. And so I like to use that term because it's where the interlocked hair stops and the twist hair starts. So let's take a look at my line of interlock demarcation. That line at this point is right about here. So you can see the twist right here down, and the interlocked hair is from here to here. So this is my line of demarcation. It's about right here. So as you can see now that you're looking kind of close up, you can see that the twists are definitely there, but like they're not as defined as they used to be. And I know a lot of people who start their Microlocs journey with interlocks. One of the main reasons they do that is so that they don't have to see the twist pattern. I am not that way. I love my twist pattern because it's just, I love seeing the natural progression of the twists like turning into locks. So it doesn't bother me at all. I get compliments all the time. The last thing I have to share before I do my 360 is the ends. And I just wanted to show you guys really quick that my ends are just doing a fabulous job. Now I did go to the lake yesterday, so I honestly haven't seen my ends since before I interlocked, but this is what they're looking like. So yeah, they look pretty good. Here's what they look like on the side. And in the back. And with that being said, let's go ahead and do my 360. All right, so here I am starting with my grid, just giving you guys a close-up of what my parts are looking like. When I'm interlocking, I make sure not to interlock too tightly just because my alopecia spot does not like when there's a lot of tension. So here's the back. And this is the middle back. And here I am just showing you guys what the entire grid looks like. So here's my alopecia spot, and I have lost a little bit of hair since the last update video. And as you can see, I'm comparing the size of the spot to the tip of my index finger. And you can also see that the hair isn't completely bald there, so I'm thankful for that. And I'm picking up some hair that has grown out from my previous alopecia spot. And it is about 2 to 3 inches long. I haven't actually measured it, but that's a guesstimate. In this area, I have about 5 or 6 starter locks that are between 3 to 5 inches long. So here I'm showing you my twist pattern, and as you can see, it's not really obvious anymore that I have twists. In certain areas, you can definitely tell that there's still a pattern, but in most areas, it is a blurred kind of subtle pattern, which I'm kind of excited about. I'm showing you the pattern throughout my entire head so you can get a good idea of where my hair is locking faster. And I honestly believe my hair is locking faster toward the back and in the middle. So in this clip, I'm showing you some of the locks that I feel like are really budding. And I'm not sure, honestly, if they're buds or if it's bunching. But those little spots are pretty dense. And as you can see, I'm kind of seeing what happens when I twist them. And nothing really happens. So I really think that these are little spots where there is budding going on. And there are several locks in the back that are doing that. So here I am just trying to showcase that. Again, I'm showing you the twist pattern on this side. And as you can see, the twist pattern is not apparent in the back of my head. In this little clip, I'm showing you the combined locks that I was talking about previously in the video. And this lock is also a combined lock. As you can see, I combined it recently within the last couple interlocking sessions. All right, everyone, that is all I have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my update video. Please comment down below if you guys have any questions or comments. If you want to share like what you're going through within your 9-month update, please let me know if you've started seeing more changes within your 9-month update, or if you're kind of not seeing any changes at all. I would love to see what your comments are. So if you have not subscribed and you've made it all the way to the end of my video, go ahead and tap the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you're updated every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.